Exactly in the spacious living zone over here. It has the modular L-shaped kitchen. In this particular side, you can add your bed. Hello everyone and a very warm welcome to Housey. Myself Anchor Brinda, and today we will be doing the 2 BHK sample flat tour of Mahavir Northscape by Mahavir Group, which is located on Navaratna Agrahara in Devanahalli, Bangalore. Right now I am standing in front of the marketing office. This is the marketing office, and exactly behind the marketing office we have our land parcel that is ready to move in premium apartments. Before we dive in, let me quickly tell you what exactly Housey is. Housey is India's first real estate platform that directly connects home buyers with the developers, thereby giving you the best bottom price guarantee. Unlike other listing platforms, if you do a single inquiry, your contact number will be shared with multiple brokers. But in Housey, you just don't have to worry, because in Housey the listings will be done by the developers and not by the brokers. So you can build your dream home only by Housey. Mahavir Northscape is spread across 4 acres of land parcel, features 2 residential towers, rising basement plus tilt plus ground plus 8 floors. Now let's talk about the amenities part. You can experience 25 plus ultra luxurious amenities such as a grand clubhouse, swimming pool, amphitheater, multi-purpose court, walking and jogging tracks, kids play area and many more. Now let's talk about the location part. Mahavir Northscape project is exactly located on Navaratna Agrahara in Devanahalli, Bangalore. Right now I am standing in front of the Navaratna Agrahara main road. This is the Navaratna Agrahara road. Towards my left hand side, this road takes you to Navaratna Agrahara junction, and towards my right hand side, this road takes you to Sadahalli. Now let's talk about the key connectivity. We have Bangalore-Hyderabad highway in just 3.3 km away. And also we can reach Bengaluru Airport Toll Plaza is approximately 3.6 km away from this project. So now let's check out their 2 BHK of 1144 square feet. Come. So this is the very spacious 2 BHK model apartment. So this is the wooden main door. This is the huge fire area which comes with vitrified tiles as well as the amazing POP. Right now I am standing exactly in the spacious living zone over here. In this particular living zone you can add your sofa set or couches over here. Exactly in front of me they have provided the huge TV unit. Once I come forward, this space you can utilize has a dining unit over here. You can add your dining table. So of course we have the attached balcony. So this balcony comes with anti-skid ceramic tiles as well as the iron railings. You can enjoy the nature view, sunlight, and of course the natural ventilation. If you add a couches over here, it will become a perfect evening. This common washroom comes with anti-skid tiles as well as the high-end sanitary fittings. So exactly right to the common washroom, we have separate sink zone with some cabinet over here. So this was about the common washroom, attached balcony, living space as well as the dining space. Now let's check out the kitchen. Come. So we have the lovely and the spacious kitchen right behind the living area. So this is the spacious kitchen, the modular and as well as the L-shaped kitchen comes with vitrified tiles. It has the modular L-shaped kitchen with the cabinets as well. Behind the kitchen, of course, we have the utility area. You can keep your washing machine over there. And this utility comes with anti-skid tiles. So So this was about the very spacious kitchen. So now let's check out the bedroom number 1. Come. So we have bedroom number 1 just behind the huge TV unit. Come. So this is bedroom number 1. Here you have the dressing table over here. This bedroom number 1 comes with again vitrified tiles as well as the ceiling. In this particular area, you can add your bed. Either it can be king or queen size of bed. So here we have the spacious wardrobe over here. You can add all your closets. In front of the wardrobe, we have the attached balcony. So this particular balcony comes with anti-skid ceramic tails as well as the iron railings. So it will be kind of a private balcony as well. So this is all about the bedroom number 1. Before I take you to the master bedroom, I mean the second bedroom of this 2 BHK model apartment, let me quickly tell you the key features of Housey. Housey provides actual location tour, sample and actual flat videos, pros and cons of the project, pricing and EMI schedule, 360-degree virtual location tour. All these wonderful features are available in Housey itself. So what are you waiting for? Do register on www.housey.com to book your free site visit now. Come, let's check out the master bedroom. So this is the master bedroom. This master bedroom comes with vitrified tiles as well as the POP over here. In this particular side, you can add your bed. Here is the dressing table. This is the wardrobe setup done over here. And this is the multi-purpose station. You can convert it as a workstation or study table, and also they have given the cabinets for your reference. And exactly here, we have the open window for natural light and ventilation. And this bedroom comes with attached washroom as well. So exactly in front of me, I have the attached washroom. So this washroom comes with anti-skid tiles as well as the high-end sanitary fittings. Yes, so everyone, as you all know, today we are in Devanahalli location. If you come across any other projects in this particular location, do let me in the comment section. For more details, do like, share and subscribe Housey. Until next video, this is Anka Vrunda signing off. See you in the next project walkthrough.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.